Okay, ladies, take 3. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, I've got nothing in the oven. I should be good. Okay, make sure to check out the bloopers, eh? There might be some cursing in them. Again, magic circle, magic ring. In front of your hand, put your wool like that, twist it over, make an X. With your crochet hook, go underneath, grab this one, and bring it here. Okay, now you want to control this wool you got here, so I just sort of pinch it with my right hand. I come around, I'm still pinching with my right hand, and now I'm going to start my magic circle. I'm going to crochet 1 if I'm going to be doing singles around my ring. I'm going to crochet 2 chains if I'm doing a half double around, and I'm going to crochet 3 if I'm doing doubles around. So we're going to do doubles around because that's what we did yesterday with our hat. So I'm going to chain 3. So see the way both hands are sort of controlling this ring until I get going. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Okay, now notice my right hand. I'm sort of holding on to my tail in that side of the ring, and with my left hand I'm holding on this side. So let's do some doubles in here. Okay, we all know how to do doubles, so I don't have to be too slow with this part. Okay, and just don't watch my hook right now because you know how to do your crochet, and watch my hands, how I'm sort of controlling the situation here with the magic ring so it's not getting away on me. Every time I do a stitch, I sort of move my right hand a little more in to hold on to it. So here we go, here's 3. And right about now, we should be able to let go with the right hand because we've got enough on that ring now that we know what we're doing. So there's 3 double crochets. So again, just sort of watch my hands, how I'm holding on to the circle where they're going, not so much my crocheting. So here we go, we just keep going around. See how I'm sort of pinching it with my left hand. I'm holding on, I think I'm holding on to the circle until I have, see, I'm holding on to the circle with my left hand and just sort of doing a little twist action with my wrist as I crochet the stitch. Okay, so here I don't know if, I'm not watching the screen, so I don't know if you're really getting this. Okay, so just sort of go around and around. Yesterday our hat called for, well, the real pattern called for 12. We did 15, my screw up. So here you go, you just go around and you do as many stitches as your pattern is calling for. So I'm not even counting here, I'm just going. Okay, there we go. This is going to be my last one. I'm going to say that's as much as my pattern called for. Okay, and now my last one, I just sort of pull it out a little bit because I want to get rid of my hook. Now there's my tail. Okay, it didn't get twisted all around this ring. Sometimes it does, like it'll go around and around. And if it does that, just take it so it looks like this, untwist it. So now you just hold on and give it a gentle pull. And just keep pulling and pulling, and there you go. You've got your circle now. So you can put your hook back in here. And again, depending on your pattern, you started with your chain 3, and you have your double crochet there. Sometimes this chain 3, they count it as part of your round, and sometimes they tell you that is not a stitch. They'll tell you so you either slip stitch into your first double, or you slip stitch into the top of your chain 3. Okay, so just remember, if your pattern says that your chain 3 is considered a stitch, that's where you slip stitch into. You would slip stitch into here, the top of your chain 3, and the slip stitch, of course, is just easy peasy in there. Okay, and that's how you do a magic circle. And as you crochet, as you're doing your round, your hole might get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And no matter what stage you are in your pattern, all you have to do is take your tail, give it a pull, and it will close up. And of course, when you're finished doing your project, Close that hole as tight as you can, and then you just weave this in here so that you don't have this tail anymore. Weave it in really good. Go around once, twice maybe, so that your hat doesn't slip off your head. Okay, makes sense? Perfect. Leave comments. Let me know if I explained it well enough. Bye.